If I was to tell you that these two channels right here were run by 17 years old from the comfort of his aunt, you would probably call me crazy. His name is Nate 30 and he grew a YouTube channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers with just one video. So today I am going to be breaking down the strategies he used to do this and how you can do it too. First, you need to understand how a video goes viral. When you first upload a video, YouTube will push this video out to a small number of viewers. If these viewers see the thumbnails, click on the video and stay watching for a long duration of the video, YouTube will push the video out to more people and the process will repeat. But how does a YouTuber like Nate get people to click and say watching? Well, it all starts with a title and thumbnail. The title and thumbnails are the first thing your viewer receives before deciding to click on your video. So making sure these two components are done correctly is a big step in this process. The title strategy that Nate uses the two go to be true style. For example, how I monetized my channel in 30 days, or I made a game in one line of code. The thumbnails for all of Nate's videos are rather simple and give a visual representation of the title. He uses dark color to make his pop out, and he also adds glows to where he is trying to direct your attention. But now that he is gonna need to click, let's break down how he structures his video to go viral. It all starts with a good hook. Let's watch I made this entire video game without ever touching my computer. Let me explain. These are three of my close friends. Not a single one of them has ever made a video game before, and I want to show them just why I am so passionate about creating video games. So I am gonna push my game dev skills to the very max and attempt to teach them how to make a true video game step by step without being able to create any of it myself. His intro starts with a high place hook to keep the viewer engaged and provides his sense of seriousness that makes a viewer want to keep watching. Without even thinking about it. So Nate uses this to his advantage by strategically using text whenever there is not lots of other visual effects taking place. Another big takeaway from Nate's video editing is that he makes sure to keep his video extremely high paced. Nobody wants to spend 30 seconds starting at the stop footage. So Nate makes sure to cut everyone 5 seconds or so. This, along with its amazing visual effects and sound design, make for an amazing edit. A few bonus strategies that Nate uses when editing is to stop the music of our important word. He wants to focus on like this. Another thing he does is use multiple songs to write his video. When he makes tutorial video, he changes his song for every step of the tutorial. And the last strategy he uses is keeping a clean voice over. If you have some spare cash laying around, invest money into a microphone for voiceover. You will pay these off pretty quickly. Once we're monetized as a Faceless channel like this, the voiceover is honestly one of the most important part of the video, as this is setting the tone for your video. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and watching this video.